The Samsung Galaxy S24 series is currently the top-of-the-line flagship Android series being sold globally. The Samsung Galaxy S24 FE could be introduced this year, as per a new leak. Information about the next generation of the FE lineup has emerged, hinting at its possible launch. We now have our first set of renders for the upcoming Galaxy S24 FE, thanks to Giznext and OnLeaks, which reveal an identical design to the Galaxy S24 FE. The 360-degree video reveals the entire design language of the upcoming Galaxy S24 FE smartphone. Now, a new report reveals the colors in which the Samsung Galaxy S24 FE will be available: black, gray, light blue, light green, and yellow. The leak suggests the smartphone might feature a 6.65-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. The S24 FE will reportedly boost its brightness to something a little more impressive. Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S24 FE will use the exact same main camera as the Galaxy S24, S23, and S23 FE, a 50-megapixel sensor with OIS, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide shooter, an 8-megapixel telephoto camera, and a 10-megapixel front camera sensor for selfies. The smartphone is tipped to be powered by the Exynos 2400, though the tipster also shared that it could get a Snapdragon Gen 3 chipset. However, I think this FE will use only Exynos globally. The S24 FE is also said to feature 12 GB of LPDDR5X RAM alongside two built-in storage variants of 128 GB and 256 GB UFS 3.1. It will run Android 14 out of the box and should receive 7 major OS updates and 7 years of security updates. Finally, the handset is rumored to be backed by a 4,500 mAh battery, similar to its predecessor, with 25-watt wired charging support. We can expect some impressive specs on the Galaxy S24 FE. We expect to hear much more about the S24 FE in the coming weeks. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.